Yummy ba yan, oh? Yummy? Who made that? Who made that? Daddy. Is it yummy? Mm. What's that food? Do you know what is that? That's Graham. Yes. Strawberry Grahams. You love it? Yummy? Grabe mag-appreciate. Yummy talaga. Kada subo, yummy. Daddy's so happy. You love it. Wow, may ganun-ganun pa talaga. Who made that? Yummy naman talaga. Grabe, she loves it so much. Yummy. Alam mo anak, overwhelmed na si Daddy.
Oh, tita. Oh,
What?
tita. Oh, eating. Oh, tita.
Okay. Oh, you finish your food first. Yummy, no?
No, this.
Okay.
No, this.
I don't use your hand.
No, this.
Don't use your hand. I know what you're
Spoon,
going to do.
spoon.
Ah, you want spoon? Okay.
No, this.
Sorry naman, nahihirapan ka, ano?
Apan.
Hard?
Hard.
Okay. I'll get a spoon. A small one or big one? Which spoon?
No, no.
Small one. Okay. Here.
No, yan. No, yan.
Small. Yeah. It's small. Sarap na sarap ka dyan, anak, ha? Talaga naman. How's the taste?
Ami.
Yummy. Alam, saya-saya naman niya. Ang saya-saya naman niya. Asus, happy-happy naman siya sa dessert ni Daddy.
Oh, tita.
You want Daddy to
Tita.
make that again?
Oh, tita.
You want to see this?
Oh, tita.
What?
Oh,
See?
this.
See this? Okay. Wait. You finish your food?
No. Oh, this.
Okay. You want to see your video?